what is the velocity of this ball which is traveling in a parabolic path? Let's try to understand. If I capture this moment of the ball in this way, you can identify its path. What is the velocity of ball? How should we calculate? Let's go to the concept. Suppose we are considering same object, and for this case ball will travel in this way. This velocity is v, but it is at some angle with horizontal. So let's say that angle with the horizontal is theta. So with the horizontal it will make an angle, and that angle is known as theta angle, and horizontal velocity is known as Vx, and vertical velocity is known as Vy. So this red color velocity V will be divided into two parts, Vx and Vy. Again, when we reach to the second position, we can consider this is the Vx, this is the Vy, this is point origin, and these two components are result of this velocity v, correct? Now what we are going to do, we want to find out what is the relation between v, vx and vy. Okay, from this case, can I shift this triangle? I am draw parabolic, I am draw the line parallel to the vector in this way, and just I am shifting the vector Vy over here. So this is Vy vector. Okay, so this will become my Vx component, this would be my Vy component. I just remove this component and put it in this way. So Vy I will take in this way. It is parallel to it, so there is nothing wrong in it. This will be the right angle triangle, and this velocity is indicated by V. Now, can you tell me by this Pythagoras theorem, can we apply relationship between Vx, V and Vy? What is this angle? This angle is given as a theta. So from Pythagoras theorem, what we can say? Hypotenuse, which is equal to Vx square plus Vy square. So what we can say, V equal to Vx plus Vy, Vx square plus Vy square. Now, how can we identify the relationship between the velocity V, Vx and Vy? Now for this case, we will apply sine theta. What we can write for sine theta? Sine theta equal to opposite side. Opposite side is Vy divided by hypotenuse, that is V. So V sine theta, which is equal to Vy. What we can write for cos theta? Cos theta equal to, can I say, nearer side. So this is nearer side, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So V cos theta equal to Vx. So now can we find out what we can write for Vx? Vx equal to V cos theta. And what is Vy? Vy equal to V sin theta. Vy equal to V sin theta. So based on that, we can calculate value of Vx and value of Vy and Vx, correct? Now suppose for this case, this velocity is given as 12 meter per second, and its two component will be the Vx and this would be Vy. This angle they have mentioned as a 30 degree in definition. Calculate Vx horizontal velocity and Vy. How should we approach? Simple.